coming in from Uttar Pradesh. We are learning that BJP leaders and MLAs from Uttar Pradesh, in fact, are all set to list the reasons of what led to BJP's poor performance within Uttar Pradesh. Remember, they have lost massively to the Samajwadi Party, which has surpassed them in terms of numbers. And now we are learning that after BJP suffering this major setback in Uttar Pradesh, UP Minister Suresh Khanna is saying that overconfidence and caste politics led to BJP's losing performance. In fact, it's the cause why BJP lost out in Uttar Pradesh. Let's also bring you some reactions. In fact, we also have Sakshi Maharaj, who said that party's top leadership will in fact be reviewing what the reasons were. Let's also play out the reactions that have come in.
शायद मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे 19 से ज्यादा मिला। जो परिस्थिति फतेहपुर की बनी हुई थी उससे ज्यादा मुझे परिणाम मिला है, इतना कह सकती हूँ। क्योंकि मुझे 15 दिन पहले से लग रहा था कि कुछ गड़बड़ जरूर है, लेकिन जो हमारा जमीनी कार्यकर्ता वो तन मन से लगा रहा है, उसका परिणाम यह है कि 4.5 लाख 5 के लगभग वोट मिला है। दूसरा, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि फतेहपुर में जो काम हमने शुरुआत की थी उसमें कहीं ना कहीं विराम जरूर लगा। काम की दृष्टि से फतेहपुर में जो हुआ है, मुझे लग रहा है कि उसमें कहीं ना कहीं ब्रेक लगा। उम्मीद करती हूँ जो चुनाव जीते हैं इस काम को आगे बढ़ाएं।
महाराज जी, 3 दशक से ज्यादा हो गया आप सांसद रहे, देखा जाए तो 7वां कार्यकाल है आपका। आपको क्या लगता है कुछ पार्टी में भीतरगात?
मुझे जो कुछ लगता है वो मैं जो प्रॉपर स्थान होगा पार्टी को वहाँ बताने का काम करूँगा। उसके लिए मीडिया नहीं है, आप नहीं हैं, और हाँ कुछ तो है कि इतना काम करने के बाद मोदी जैसा नेता भूतो न भविष्यति, या योगी जी भी हैं। 500 साल के कलंक को हमने मिटाया है, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर हमारा बढ़िया रहा है, विकास जो 65 साल में नहीं हुआ 50 साल में हुआ है, और मोदी जी ने बीच के दलालों की दलाली को खत्म किया है। ऐसा किसी गांव में एक व्यक्ति नहीं होगा जो लाभार्थी न हो, कुछ न कुछ लाभ सबको मिला है। उसके बावजूद भी माननीय मोदी जी को पूरा आशीर्वाद न मिलना ये समीक्षा का विषय है, पार्टी समीक्षा करेगी। तो पार्टी का शीर्ष नेतृत्व, प्रदेश का नेतृत्व और हम स्वयं समीक्षा करेंगे कि कमी कहाँ रह गई, हमसे कहाँ गलती हुई, जनता का दिल हम क्यों नहीं पाए।
आगे निरंजन ज्योति को मुख्य रूप में बोल रहे हैं कि भीतरघात हुई।
अब जो क्योंकि प्रदेश बहुत बड़ा है, 80 लोकसभा, हमारा इरादा था, हमारा मानना था कि 80 की लोकसभा सीट जीतेंगे। लेकिन अगर शादी नजर ज्योति कह रही भीतरघात हुआ तो नकारा नहीं जा सकता, हुआ होगा, और वहाँ के बारे में वो बताएंगे।
उत्तर प्रदेश में अगर देखा जाए तो आपने बहुत चुनाव देखे, सबसे वरिष्ठ एक तरीके से कहा जाए तो आज की योगी मंत्रिमंडल में आप हैं। क्या आप देख रहे हैं कि उत्तर प्रदेश में सर 30 सीटों का लगभग नुकसान हुआ है जो पिछली बार की अपेक्षा, क्या वजह मानते हैं सर?
वैसे तो अलग अलग जगह अलग अलग कारण हैं, लेकिन जो सबसे ज्यादा हमको जिसने नुकसान पहुंचाया, पहले से ही लोगों को ये लगने लगा था कि हम तो जीत गए। इस आत्मविश्वास ने हमको इस स्थिति में लाकर खड़ा कर दिया। हालांकि हमारा लीडरशिप के ऊपर भरपूर विश्वास है और उन्होंने अपनी तरफ से कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी, और जो सेंट्रल लीडरशिप है उसने भी आवश्यकता से अधिक, उम्मीद से अधिक मेहनत की।
सर, विपक्षी पार्टियों को अगर देखा जाए, खासकर समाजवादी पार्टी, अभी निकाय चुनाव में कुछ दिन पहले आपसे बुरी तरीके से हार हुई थी। आप लोग बड़े अंतर से निकाय चुनाव का जीते थे, लेकिन समाजवादी पार्टी की इतनी ज्यादा सीटें, क्या लग रहा है आपको कि आखिर वो कौन सा मुद्दा, क्या संविधान की जो बदलने की अफवाह थी वो नीचे तक पहुंच गई?
इस चुनाव में जातिवाद का प्रभाव भी बहुत बड़े पैमाने पर देखा गया, और जो 2019 में इतना प्रभाव नहीं देखा गया था। लेकिन इस बार उसका भी प्रभाव बड़े पैमाने पर दिखाई दिया।
All right, let's quickly go across to our correspondent Siddhant Mishra, who's currently stationed live in Lucknow. Payal also joins us on the broadcast. Siddhant, since you are on ground zero, Lucknow, a seat of Rajnath Singh, has seen a sharp decline in the victory margin, as we've also seen in that of Prime Minister Modi's from Varanasi. Not to forget how BJP has surprisingly lost out on a key seat like Ayodhya, this despite the Ram Mandir. What are those factors that have led to this kind of debacle that BJP will now be introspecting today as well?
Well, BJP will surely introspect into the factors which have gone against BJP in these elections, and in fact, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has already called meetings of top babus of the state to review the developmental works and the schemes that are being run by the state government. But look, as far as the margin is concerned, whether it's Prime Minister Narendra Modi's margin in Varanasi, Rajnath Singh's margin in Lucknow, or as you rightly said, as BJP lost the Faizabad Ayodhya seat. Look, this is very important, and what I'm picking from Bharatiya Janata Party leaders here on ground is that मंडल इस बार कमंडल पे हावी रहा, जाति ज्यादा चली है, people have voted on the issue of caste. As far as Lallu Singh is concerned, Lallu Singh was never a very popular candidate of Bharatiya Janata Party in Ayodhya. He won twice, 2014 and 2019, purely on Modi wave. This time around, since he made that statement, which perhaps resulted in loss of BJP, not just in Faizabad, but in fact on that entire belt. 2/3 बहुमत चाहिए संविधान बदलने के लिए. That was a statement made by Lallu Singh. Despite lot of clarification given by senior party leaders, but it looks like that नीचे तक उसका जो असर था वो रहा.
Siddhant, I'm sorry to interrupt you there. You know, since you mentioned about Lallu Singh, who's been always viewed as a very problematic character and as a politician himself, the fact of the matter remains, where have they gone wrong with the candidate list, considering BJP in fact has their own core committee and that was vetting the candidate list, that included the Chief Minister himself, that also included Amit Shah, Prime Minister, and even BJP General Secretary like BL Santosh?
Well, look, as far as the ticket distribution is concerned, it was always in question, BJP's ticket distribution in the state of Uttar Pradesh, because I have been covering it since last 3 years.
Right.
A lot of parachute landings were made, like Kripa Shankar Singh from Jaunpur, Nipendra Mishra's son from Shravasti. So such decisions have resulted in lot of, because people this time around, if you look at the trend also, have voted more for the local candidate. जो जमीनी नेता है उनको ज़्यादा वोट पड़ा है. In fact, those who have won from BJP NDA also, जो जमीनी नेता है उनके नाम पे ज़्यादा वोट पड़ा है. Second, and the most important factor is that last minute micromanagement was not done properly. Like Raja Bhaiya was not accommodated in NDA. Perhaps that has badly resulted on the seats of Pratapgarh and Kaushambi. Dhananjay Singh was accommodated, but there was a confusion on the seat of Jaunpur till very last moment, and at the last moment his wife's withdrawn the candidature from BSP. So BJP did try to fix things, but it didn't work. And let me be very honest and candid, unemployment was the reason on ground. सरकारी नौकरियां कोविड के बाद से नहीं निकली हैं, उसका असर देखने को मिला जमीन पे. At the same time, lot many politicians are also telling me that the BLO has been a major factor. शिक्षा मित्र की responsibility होती है, it's their responsibility to distribute the slips, election slips to the people, which was not done rightly. Not just in other, but in fact on the seat of Prime Minister also, Varanasi seat, it wasn't done correctly. So there were multiple factors which played a very important role in these elections. But one
Let
thing
me
is for
also bring
sure,
in Payal on that
non-Yadav
note.
OBC,
Right. Let me bring in Payal on that note. Payal, there's something that Samajwadi Party, of course, got right, which perhaps the Bharatiya Janata Party could not. Their victory is being labelled as a shock victory, but political pundits are saying that they managed to establish that ground connect, which perhaps the BJP was losing out on, and as Siddhant rightly mentioned, they in fact targeted the non-Yadav OBCs and the Dalits